Welcome back. You're watching this edition of Nation at 5 from the CNN News 18 Federal Bank newsroom, and we have some breaking news that's now coming in. This is massive embarrassment, and a global one at that, for our neighbor, for Pakistan. This is the exclusive information that we've accessed for you, where the US House of Representatives has now passed a resolution against Pakistan, with 85% of its members going on to say that there were unfair practices as far as Pakistan's recently concluded elections were concerned. This is a resolution that has been adopted by the US Congress that seeks a probe in this general election conducted in Pakistan. Sources close to PTI have now informed CNN News 18 that Pakistani army and the Election Commission is wholly responsible for this global humiliation of the country. Only the Supreme Court of Pakistan can now intervene and give justice, is what the PTI is claiming. We've also accessed the document for you here, the resolution that was passed by 85% of representatives in the United States as far as calling for a probe in the Pakistani elections are concerned. This is that document which goes on to list what exactly had transpired as far as the timeline of holding elections was concerned. It goes on to talk about what happened on the 5th of August in 2023. This is about the census of Pakistan that was approved by the Council of Common Interest and the Election Commission, that went on to say that elections would be postponed until January 2024. This was meant to redraw constituencies, is what they claimed. They wanted to reflect the changes that was made in the 2023 census. But despite that, there were some issues, and that Pakistan, on 28th of March in 2023 last year, the government of Pakistan had stated that Pakistan would engage bilaterally with the United States and they would promote and strengthen democratic principles. But unfortunately, that hasn't happened, is what the United States claims. The resolution also then goes on to talk about how the House of Representatives affirms its strong support for democracy in Pakistan, including free and fair elections, which reflects the will of the people in the country, which is why they now want an investigation. Listen into what exactly transpired there in the United States.
Pakistan's most recent election that took place in February was not carried out under conditions that credible election observers considered free or fair. The election was ultimately clouded by credible allegations of electoral interference, of fraud, and of violence. And that's why our resolution urges the full and independent investigations of these claims of interference or irregularities.
Massive embarrassment as far as Pakistan is concerned. Abhishek, my colleague, joining us, getting us more perspective on this. Abhishek, we are getting information as to what the opposition in Pakistan feels about this. Do give us a sense of what that is. And of course, if you've gathered anything from our sources within the Indian establishment of how they are looking at this development.
Well, Poonam, ever since this election has happened in Pakistan and the way PTI leader Imran Khan and his other senior colleagues were pushed behind the bar, and the entire narrative was built that there is no one who is buying the logic and the popularity of Imran Khan in Pakistan. The entire political turmoil in Pakistan has actually not settled, even despite the government formation by the two PPP and PMLNA factions coming together and forming this government. And there are multiple times we see such voices coming out of dissent, of dissatisfaction that the entire process that has happened, that culminated in Shehbaz Sharif becoming Prime Minister, was not fair. There was not fair play that was given to the opposition, and it was totally an eyewash. The entire election process was an eyewash, and it was premeditated that Shehbaz Sharif or the coalition of PP and PMLNA will be pushed to the seat of power. So this is something that Pakistani people have also raised voice, and now we have seen the foreign lawmakers in USA have also raised instances of this. Also, we have seen in Pakistan Assembly, when the debates have been going on in the recent days, we have seen how the lawmakers themselves have been talking about the humiliation and the atrocities being committed towards the minority. So the government in Pakistan is not only dealing with the current political turmoil, but they are also dealing with the multiple political and domestic and internal security situation that they have not been able to tide over. So this is something that has been going on, and now the world has also started highlighting this.
Right, it'll be interesting to see what more reactions come out of Pakistan. Abhishek, do stay on with us. We in fact have more breaking news that's now trickling in.